Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about gold. Someone on my Facebook requested it, and I said okay. I just saw the chart and I decided to make the video. It's just an update to what's happening in the gold, and I'm gonna make this video public for everyone whoever want to benefit out of it. So let's get started. Gold weekly chart, this is it, and this is the chart that I made back in August 17th 2018. I mean, I can go back as far as up here, but forget about that, right? I have charts where I said that do you know, I have written here, it says, do you know when to sell everything and buy the gold? Okay, there's a question here, and I was pointing towards 1032, and look how close we got to 1032, and then start bouncing. And then let me show you what happened since August 17. This chart finally went to look like this. Okay, right from where I said it started to go up and all the way almost there, right? Almost. And then it started to dip a little bit. 1264 was the floor, and from there I made another chart. And what happened to this chart? The next chart I made was this. After it dipped a little bit, I said right from there, 1264, it will go, or it may bounce. I mean, it may drop a little bit more to 1226 and then go. But either way, it has to go to the upside, right? And how do you know when to buy or get in? It's my other Renko chart. I will show you in a little bit. So what happened to this one? It went up exactly from where it was. Let me show you that. Well, this is the current chart. Is this? See, right from there, it started to go up, and these last two lows, if you connect parallel line, put it on the high. It went up and it touched the channel line right to the pip, and look on the left, this is the number that is stopping it, right? So 1433 and 1391. So it hit the 1433, then dip here because it broke 1391 to get to 1433, and then it comes back testing 1391, and the price always does that. If it would have come back in a little bit more, then it would have been here testing 1374, but it did. It got stopped here 1391, and then started to go up again. And now final target is, I think this is where it's going. If it's a correction, it's 1 2 3 4 5 A B C B, and then we're going for wave C, around 61%, 127 of this move, right? Let me show you that how do you make entries then. If that's the case, then we think that okay, it's going up, but it makes the dips as well, right? It wobbles all the time, and you don't want to go to negative, right? So let me show you the chart that I'm following. So this is the chart that, and you can see how it is. All of these are entries where when it's going to the upside, the trend is up. Red line is, look at the MAs, how steep they are to the upside, right? And every time the price dip, the red candles come into the wave and then start turning blue, and this indicates all the way down. That's an entry. So I'm showing all these as an entry. This is the entry, this, right? And finally it went and hit. First it hit this 1391, dipped, broke, came back testing, went up 1433, and then came back to this number again, 1391, went up to 1433, and then came back. So this phenomena here, this, what is this? Let me show you what it is. And if you understand these things a little bit, then it benefits a lot, and you can trade like a pro. What it is no, not this here. I'm gonna show you here probably, and we're gonna see something like this. Okay, this is how Elliott wave, and then this is how the correction in fourth wave as a flat correction. You have wave 1 2, and then big wave 3, and then you have A B C flat correction in 3 waves, which they are mostly equal. And that's exactly what happened here. See, this was big wave 3, then you have A, B, C, and then this is wave 4 finished, and now we are going towards wave 5, which will take us to our wave 3. C or 3, right? And then this out of that wave C, after 4, that wave C also, wave 5 also comes in, 5 subwaves, right? So it will be like this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. Maybe it is finished, maybe not, because the 2 could make a Gertley, right? So this may be here and then one more dip, that would be wave 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Or maybe right from here, when the market opens up, it goes straight to the upside. If we measure this, then you see that it is a kiss of 61% exactly, right? So yeah, after 61%, it can go straight to the upside, first option. And then second option, usually what happens is that from 61%, it goes to 23% line, which is it is exactly at that line, right? And then from there, what happens is it comes back to 78%, right? And that is a Gertley pattern, bullish Gertley pattern, harmonic pattern, and then it takes off. That is another option. So if you can go back, and instead of Elliott wave, we saw the flat correction, how it is. And let me show you what Gertley pattern looks like, and you will understand what I'm talking about. So what basically happens is that you keep an eye on every possibility, right? So bullish Gertley, this is the one, okay? Now this is what happens. So you have XA, then this B pullback is at 61%, then there is a C point, and usually it is at my favorite line, which is 23%. Either it from this point it goes straight to the upside, or come back, make the deep point at 78%, and then go up, right? So these are two possibilities that you have right now, because we are at this 23% line, making like a point C. So if I can go and do this, for example, put an X, not be too big, let me just make a little smaller one, move this here, right? So and it's a lot of blue here, so I'm going to make it black, so that it will make it yellow, more visible, and a little bigger. All right, so this is X, right? And then you can go and make it A, and then this would be B at 61%, right? And then this would be, whoops, what's up? This would be wave C, right? And then it will come back down here for wave D, point D, now wave D. I like to be precise, so see this point A, whoops, one blue here, and the second triangle would be, and then I would say we'll come back to this 78%. Yay. Okay, yeah, leave it there, buddy. Okay, so and then from here it will go up, or it will go straight from where it is now. Okay, those two options there. Okay, here we go. So you understand now what it is. This is how this bearish Gertley look like. See, and so first possibility is straight up, and that diagram usually is just like let me show you. It's AB is equal to, you know, I always show you this, that either, see what we are doing here is like from where here we went up there, this, and then we are here right now. Two options. First, it's straight goes up, and then this is 100%. That would be the first target. Break that, you go to 127%, 1.618% of fib expansion tool. Or it will drop here first, right, 78%, and then go, right. So these are the two, and then usually you, I don't know where my MT4 harmonic pattern pictures were, like very nice picture, but I kind of lost them. They're somewhere, maybe here, hidden somewhere. Fib levels, no, they're not here. So anyway, they're here somewhere, but I'll find them where it is on my computer. So now you understand that what it is, right? So this is what's cooking here. Either if you go above this here, right, so we can see that right now what number we are at. What number we are at now is 1415, right? So we know that this is 1433. Do we have anything close to 1415? This is monthly chart. What am I doing? 15, basically not, right? If you look at this candle high, it is 1411, right? This big candle, that's 1411. So we mark that 1411, and what? Let's see. Move this. 14. Come on, man. Okay, 1411. I will make it like this, to be exact. 1411. Okay, so that way you are okay. So now stay above this. Continue. Come down below 1411. You come in here to 1395, and then go up. So basically, if I go in a little bit smaller time frame, and then draw 1411 and see what happens. Here. Let me refresh the chart first, because it could be a bad chart. When the market close, you want to do that. Okay. And then refresh. Okay. Now, here. Now, see the difference. 13 excuse me, 1311, sorry, 1411. 1411 is here, right? And 1433 is somewhere there to the upside. So it's not gonna go in a straight line, you know that exactly. When it goes like this. See, it is bearish right now. It will go up here and then come down, then go up, and then this is your entry here. This is your entry here. Okay, price coming down here. Red candle turns blue, indicates all the way down. You go, and then this is how this line is. So it was bearish here, now turning bullish, right? So it may come back here, find support on this level, and the wave is going to be coming here, opening up here a little bit, right? And then from there it will start going to the upside, and then first target would be 1433, and then it continue to the upside for more new levels, right? This is how it is. So this 1433 would be again the first target. The question is that either we're going to drop first and then go up, or right from there. So if we dip, watch out for 1411. If we continue dipping, we are coming down here. If we get a stop here and then start to go up again, get in, go long in gold. It's going up. This is the correction for wave 4, flat correction. After that, wave 5 coming up. Out of that, wave 1 is finished, and then wave 2 is underway, and after that, big powerful wave 3 will be coming up. Wave 3 is always big because like this, right? So wave 5 will have 3 waves, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is how the gold analysis is. I hope you like it, and I hope you can make some money out of it. And today is Saturday. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.